Hey my beautiful souls, welcome back to Finding with Jessie, the life coach. I hope everybody has been feeling great. If you're new here, my name is Jessie. A big welcome. Come on in, hit that subscribe button, stay for a while. We have some great things that we discuss here. So my beautiful souls, today we are going to be discussing karmic relationships. So not too long ago, I did a video on karmic cycles and understanding karma just in general and understanding karmic retribution when you're dealing with narcissistic people. And today I'm going to break down a karmic relationship. And I think it's so important for a lot of people to understand. The truth is when you start learning about the laws of the universe and how it all works and what we are here to do and the purpose of certain things and why it happens to us, we've become knowledgeable, we become aware, we become awakened to a lot of our patterns and the cycles that we are in and how to navigate out of them. So today I'm going to be breaking it all down. So let's get right into it. So karmic relationships, what are they? How do they start? What is it all about? So when you are in a karmic relationship, it's very, very passionate. It's filled with a lot of chemistry and it is filled with a lot of turbulence. It's a relationship that's up and down, break up to make up, drama. And a lot of people get stuck in these relationships. And it's because they are not learning their lesson. So karmic relationships, we all deal with them. We can't escape them. The point of a karmic relationship is that it's connected to karma. And if you've seen any of my videos on karma and the way I explain it, karma is all about teaching us a lesson. Anything that we attract that brings karma into our life is there to teach us. And karmic relationships are no different. It's very similar to when we say we have to kiss a lot of frogs to get to a prince. You know, that's a fairy tale that, is kind of pushed on us. But to be honest, there's a lot of truth to that. So you could think of karmic relationships as being the frogs. And the point of the karmic relationship and why we go through them is to learn and grow. When you are in karmic relationships, the point of the relationship is to teach you about yourself and to teach you about your needs and to teach you about your wants. And the thing is that a lot of people want to make karmic relationships their forever person. A lot of people want to force karmic relationships to be their life partnerships. And they're not meant for that. They are meant to come in, teach you the lesson about what you need to learn and what you need to grow from and what you truly desire out of a relationship, out of a partnership, how to speak up for yourself and so many different lessons, right? Everybody has different lessons to learn and everybody's on a different trajectory of their journey and when they call in these karmic relationships. But karmic relationships are there to teach us. They are there for us to learn from. They are there for us to evolve as a person, evolve as a soul, evolve as a spirit, evolve as a human being so we can get to the next level and phases of our lives. And like I said, because they are not compatible, karmic relationships are not meant to be compatible. There is a lot of drama. There's a lot of turbulence. There's a lot of up and downs. There's a lot of trying to get through and figure it out. And the difference between a healthy relationship and a karmic relationship is that a healthy relationship, there might be disagreements. You're not going to agree about everything in the relationship, right? But in a healthy relationship, there's very minimal drama. There's very minimal turbulence, right? You might have situations that come up. They might, disturb the peace in the relationship, but you work together to work it out, right? You're on each other's team. You're on each other's level. And a lot of people mistake karmic relationships for being like the person they're supposed to spend the rest of their life with, or soulmate connection and things of that sort. And there's a lot to be said about soulmate connections. Not all soulmates are meant to stay in our lives forever. And if you truly want to break down soulmates is just your energetic level, right? You attract what you are or what you need to learn. So majority of the time we are attracting other people that is bringing us the lesson, and majority of the time we might have the same core lesson to learn in different ways. And that's why the chemistry is so intense. We feel that like, oh my God, this is my person, right? And it starts very, very passionate. And then little by little, it starts disintegrating and falling apart. And the breakup to makeup and the roller coaster, and you're on the emotional roller coaster, it feels like. And there's always drama, and there's always pain, there's always all these issues. And it's because that's meant to teach you what you need to learn about relationships. When you think about relationships, all the relationships, specifically intimate partnerships, the point of them is that we're supposed to date and go through cycles, learn from them. And as we learn from them, we learn to speak up for ourselves. We learn to distinguish like what we want and what we desire from what we don't want and what we don't desire, right? And every time we learn a lesson, we kind of go up, and then we get closer to meeting our life partner, someone that we are compatible with, someone that we are equally yoked with, someone that we share characteristics and foundations with. You'll find with karmic partnerships, it's not like that. What people usually find as they go through karmic relationships is that their karmic relationship is not based off of a mutual connection. What is based off of is a mutual attachment. Karmic relationships actually test us. They test our understanding of what we believe love to be. And like I said, there's always a point and a reason for everything we call in life. And that is the point. The point is to test us. The point is for us to evolve of, our understanding of what love is. And a lot of people have a skewed understanding of what love is. A lot of people equate love for pain, right? A lot of people equate unconditional love for unconditional abuse. Taking anything that the person gives because you love them so much. And, all of that is skewed ideas of what love is really about, right? You shouldn't be abusing and having to undergo so much heartache just to get to the point that you're at peace in a relationship, right? You shouldn't have to take someone's maladaptive behaviors when they should be working on themselves. By the time you get into a life partnership, it should be that you're both coming in nice and healed with a good understanding of what you want out of life, of what direction you're going in, a good understanding of what love should feel like. And it shouldn't feel like game playing and cheating and having to be in competition with other people and letting people, break their way into your connection, and having a partner that's unavailable, and a partner who doesn't know how to communicate, and a partner who has commitment issues, right? All of that falls under the guise of karmic relationships, because all of that is unhealthy. It's unbalanced. And that's what a lot of people don't seem to understand. They actually want to make karmic partnerships into lifelong journeys. And this is why a lot of people suffer. And then people blame love for their suffering, for the cycles that they're going into, when in actuality, the reason why they're suffering is because they refuse to let go of what no longer serves them. The point of a karmic relationship is to serve you. It comes in to teach you, to be that karmic universal teacher of, hey, this is what you have. Is this what you want to keep? If you don't like it, let it go so I can give you more, right? Learn your lessons. But a lot of people do not want to do that. And this is the thing with karmic relationships. If you're calling in a karmic relationship, or you keep on falling into karmic relationship, that means that there's something about you that's unresolved that you need to face and heal. Because when you are in karmic relationships, you have to deal with a lot. You have to deal with a lot of baggage, emotional baggage that other people carry. And that's why they're unhealthy in their relationships. And if you're on the other side, you're on the receiving end of a karmic relationship, that means that you have not learned the lesson of what is considered healthy, and learning how to actually have self-worth, enough self-worth to walk away from relationships of the sort and actually want and desire more for yourself, even if that means rejecting the karmic relationship and going it on your own until you find that relationship that's more balanced and steady. So So karmic relationships are meant to teach you, they're meant to evolve you, they're meant to be short-lived. They're not meant to be long journeys. And that's one of the reasons why people are so exhausted in their relationships. It's because they're trying to make something that was supposed to be there momentarily to teach you, to help you grow, to take you to the next level. They are a frog in a sense. The person that you are with, it's a frog, and you need to let go of the frog in order to get the prince. So understanding about karmic relationships and the point of relationships in general, how they're meant to help us grow and evolve, and how we're supposed to learn from them, and how we're supposed to have multiple relationships before we get to the person that we're meant to spend the rest of our lives with and that we're equally yoked with is super important. And so, my beautiful souls, that's a little bit about karmic relationships and understanding how karma plays and how it's involved in karmic relationships. And that's all I have for you, my beautiful souls. Always remember that we are worth so much more than we believe.